Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Funktastic Frittata Boombox. Start by gathering a reliable boombox, a non-stick pan, eggs, chosen fillings, and simple tools. Aim for balanced seasoning and even heat so the egg cooks through without burning. Use medium-low heat, cover briefly to steam, and test with a toothpick for doneness. Finish by plating with a playful soundtrack to match the boombox vibe. Start by measuring and prepping ingredients to save time and keep momentum. Whisk 6 eggs with a splash of milk, salt, and pepper until smooth and aerated for a tender texture. Sauté fillings quickly on medium heat to remove excess moisture that could sog the frittata. Transfer to the pan, pour eggs evenly, sprinkle 1 cup of cheese, then cook gently until set and golden. Keep your technique simple but attentive for consistent results every time. Preheat the pan on medium-low so the eggs cook through without burning the bottom. After pouring the egg mixture, reduce heat slightly and cover for 4 to 6 minutes to trap steam and set the top. Use a toothpick to check doneness and let the frittata rest for 2 minutes before slicing to preserve neat wedges and texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.